Hello，大家好，歡迎嚟到英文學渣 and English Underachiever 嘅 channel。我係 Matthew，距離 English 開考得返一日，仲可以點準備？今日我就用 The Merchant of Venice 分享可以點樣短時間內有效咁溫 English 長 test，同 Paper One 點寫先有升。Paper One 究竟要點先攞到高分呢？喺 Paper One，我哋要喺3個鐘入面答3題，即係平均每題1個鐘。咁1個鐘要寫幾多嘢？記住 English 唔係背得多、寫得多就高分。喺 Paper One，我哋平均每題最好要寫到800至1000字。不過如果你結構夠嚴謹，例子夠精準嘅話，其實650至800字都已經可以幫你攞到 Level 5以上㗎啦。咁喺呢一度，我會繼續用 The Merchant of Venice 做例子，話俾大家知究竟點樣喺 Paper One Essay 嘅部分攞星嘅。咁相信大家都已經見到啦，喺熒幕上面我 show 咗個 outline 嘅，係答2025年 Paper One 嘅 Question 6。再俾多個例子大家睇，呢題係2024年 Paper One 嘅 Question 5。好多時同學仔喺寫 essay 嘅時候都會好強調角色行為或者故事情節，咁樣係一個好安全嘅做法，但想攞星咁係唔足夠嘅。如果想攞星，深度好緊要。你會見到我喺第一個 outline 入面同第二個嘅 thesis statement 入面，我唔係淨係講因為佢哋有呢一個行為所以咁，然後再呼應題目嘅。我會行多一步，講點解會有咁嘅行為，同埋故事背後同主旨又有啲咩關係呢？呢一個就係你攞星嘅關鍵。咁分享完一啲關於 Paper One Essay 點樣攞星嘅 strategy 咯，咁我都會分享下我平時考試前係點樣應付長 test 嘅。咁呢一度又要借助 AI 幫手啦，我會叫 AI 幫我 gen 幾樣嘢出嚟嘅，包括 a full synopsis、act by act summary、scene by scene summaries 同 important quotes。你可能會問我，咁點解我唔直接睇 Spark Notes 或者其他 online resources 啊？呢一樣嘢我陣間答你。好，咁整理完份 summary 又應該點用呢？我會睇一次 full synopsis 先嘅，一路睇嘅時候你有2樣嘢要做，第一係identify the subjects， 第二係 what are the related scenes。 喺呢個 stage 你係唔使所有嘢都好肯定，大概用10至15分鐘睇個 synopsis， 再寫晒諗到嘅或者記得嘅 subjects 同 scenes， 咁樣就 OK 㗎啦。咁跟住再落嚟就係 act by act summaries 咯。咁 act by act summaries 我哋可以留意多少少 characters。另外，除咗留意 characters， 我哋都可以再優化翻頭先前面睇 synopsis 嘅時候寫咗嘅 scenes。呢一度可以用多少少時間，大概30分鐘。再嚟就係 scene by scene summaries。呢個 summary 最主要係用嚟幫我哋背嘢嘅。咁我通常會再畫個表，寫翻有幾多個 acts， 每個 scene 有咩人出現過。咁大概會用15分鐘度。最後就係 important quotes 嘅部分。咁呢一度我會花多少少時間嘅，大概1個鐘。咁呢 part 就係我哋叫做 interpretation 嘅時候啦。綜合翻前面寫嘅關於 subjects、scenes、characters 嘅 points， 我哋可以利用啲 points 去睇翻我哋之前寫嘅嘢係咪有 evidence。另外，如果你啲 subjects、scenes 同 characters 嘅 points 係背嘅，你就要將你背咗嘅嘢 connect 翻去篇文章度。其實2個鐘你就已經可以溫完一篇長 test。咁翻落頭先叫 AI 幫手啦，我會落嘅指令係 generate a full synopsis of William Shakespeare's The Merchant of Venice。跟住我就會叫 AI generate summaries of each act of the play。再接落嚟 generate summaries of each scene of the play。 呢一度我會再加多一個指令 The summary of each scene should be in 3 to 4 sentences。 咁點解要加呢句呢？又或者點解我哋唔叫 AI 一次過就做晒所有嘢呢？咁如果我哋一次過叫 AI generate scene by scene summaries of William Shakespeare's The Merchant of Venice， 又會點呢？如果係咁，我哋就會得到一張 A4 紙2頁嘅內容，係唔夠我哋考試嘅，而且內容分佈亦都唔平均。我哋冇辦法知道 AI 係取決啲咩因素而決定俾我哋睇啲咩嘅，係因為個scene本身比較長，定係因為個scene 比較重要，所以最好嘅方法係要 AI 平均分佈，然後我哋自己判斷返邊個先重要。最後我會叫 AI provide a scene-by-scene list of important quotes from the play, ensuring each quote has at least 10 lines。咁點解唔好用 online study guide 呢？因為如果你睇 novel 同 play，online study guide 講緊都幾十頁，你係唔需要咁多資料嘅，亦都冇咁多時間去睇。再者，佢入面嘅嘢唔係全部都有用，同啲 quotes 咧好多時都係好零散嘅。對我嚟講咧就好難背嘅。呢一度補充翻啦，如果係 novel 嘅話，你就叫 AI gen 3樣嘢就得啦。A full synopsis, a 5 to 6 sentence chapter summary, a passage from each important character， 咁樣就 OK 啦。頭先講到温書睇 summary 嘅時候，要寫翻啲 subjects 同 scenes 出嚟，而喺 The Merchant of Venice 入面講到嘅 subjects 包括 friendship、romance and marriage、law, justice and morality、religion, truth, dilemma。呢一度要留意翻 subject 主題同 scene 主旨係兩件事嚟嘅，即係好似上條片咁樣 Rudolph 嘅 vacation 主題係出遊，但主旨係同旅遊一啲關係都冇嘅，反而係講人喺外在環境限制之下可以點樣調適。如果你都未睇上一條片嘅話，可以撳翻熒幕嘅連結睇翻，或者你亦都可以咁諗 subject。主題係一個現象或者一個情況，而先主旨就係作者借呢一個現象想討論啲咩議題。用翻 The Merchant of Venice 做例子 ，Shakespeare 借 friendship 去討論理智同情感之間嘅張力呢一個議題。再舉多個例子，沙翁借婚姻討論女性自主權同埋父權社會之下嘅女性生活。咁頭先我哋前面就叫 AI gen 咗個 act by act summaries 出嚟咯。咁 AI 形容 Antonio 係 a wealthy but inexplicably melancholy merchant。我哋可以諗下點解 AI 會咁形容，可唔可以 recall 翻一啲對原著嘅記憶出嚟？另外角色幾時出現同佢做咗啲咩都係好重要嘅。其中一個要留意嘅就係 Jessica。Why does Shakespeare develop as a plot about the elopement of Jessica and Lorenzo? What role does Jessica as a female character serve in the play? 呢度俾兩個 guiding questions 大家諗。如果你中意我呢一條片，記得 comment、like、subscribe and share。另外，我嘅中2至中5 online 1對1英文課程依然持續招生，有需要可以喺 IG 或者 Threads DM 我。仲有 Threads 上面會有我嘅影片筆記，唔想錯過就要 follow 我啦。我哋下條片見，拜拜。